Hello, dear children. Today, let us have a quick recap of the chapter Large Numbers. So, children, today, what are we going to learn? By the end of this chapter, we are going to study numbers up to 10 crores in the Indian numeral system. We would also understand numbers in the international numeral system. We would understand the place value, face value, and also the place of a number. We would be able to compare and have ordering of numbers. We would learn successor and predecessor. We would also understand how to round off numbers. And last but not the least, we would know the Roman numerals up to 1000. Children, let us now revise the Indian numeral system. As we talk about periods, from the right to the left, we have ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. The places from the right to the left are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. If we have 7 in the place of 10 crores, then the place value of 7 would be 70 crores. Then the place value of 8 would be 8 crores. The place value of 9 is 90 lakhs. The place value of 5 is 5 lakhs. The place value of 6 is 60,000. The place value of 4 is 4,000. The place value of 3 is 300. The place value of 1 is 10. And the place value of 2 is 2 ones or 2. The expanded form thus would be 70 crores plus 8 crores plus 90 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 2. And the number name thus we get is 78 crores 95 lakhs 64,312. Children, now let us revise the concept of comparison and ordering of numbers. Suppose we have to compare two numbers. The first step, compare the number of digits. Second step, if the number of digits are same, then we compare the digits beginning from the left. I repeat, if the number of digits are same, we will compare the digits beginning from the left. Let us talk about ordering of numbers. When we write the numbers from big to small, we have descending order. But when we talk about numbers from small to big, it is ascending order. Now remember, successor means number plus 1 and predecessor means any number minus 1. Now, revising the international numeral system, we have the hundreds, thousands, and millions periods when we talk about from right to the left. The places that we have are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now, here in international numeral system, we have 100,000, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions as we go from right to the left. So if we have 7 in the place of 100 million, the place value would be 700 million. The place value of 8 would be 80 million. The place value of 9 would be 9 million. The place value of 5 would be 500,000. The place value of 6 would be 60,000. The place value of 4 would be 4,000. The place value of 3 would be 300. The place value of 1 would be 1/10 or 10. And the place value of 2 would be 2 ones or 2. Thus the expanded form is 700 millions plus 80 million plus 9 million plus 500,000 plus 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 2. And the number name that we get is 789 millions 564,312. Now let us talk about rounding off. While rounding off, we use the nearest multiple of 10, 100 or 1000. For rounding off to the nearest tens, if the ones digit is less than 5, the digit becomes 0 and the rest of the number remains the same or does not change. For example, 294. Check out what is the last digit? The last digit is 4, which is less than 5. So it will become 0 and 29 will remain as it is. So 294 is rounded off to 290. If the ones digit is equal to or more than 5, the digit still becomes 0 and the previous digit is increased by 1. For example, check out 235. The last digit is 5. It will become 0, but 3 will increase to 4. That means 235 is rounded off to 240. Similarly, for rounding off to the nearest 100, we would check if the last two digits are less than, equal to, or more than 50. And for rounding off to the nearest 1000, we would check if the last digits are less than, equal to, or more than 500. The last topic in this chapter is Roman numerals. The following Roman numerals are used to represent the corresponding Hindu-Arabic numerals. 1 is represented by I, 5 is represented by V, 10 is represented by X, 50 is represented by L, 100 is represented by C, 500 is represented by D, and 1000 is represented by M. Remember, the symbols cannot be repeated together more than 3 times. The symbols V, L, and D are never repeated. Only I, X, C, and M can be repeated. If a smaller numeral is written to the right of a numeral of greater value, the two numerals are added. When a smaller numeral is written to the left of a numeral of greater value, it is subtracted from the greater numeral. When a smaller numeral is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is subtracted from the numeral placed after it. And last but not the least, when one bar is placed on top of a Roman numeral, it means that the number is multiplied by 1000. Thanks for watching. Children, keep on revising. Love you.